Exactly.
So when you do when you unload, the parallelly this warehouse task will be created. So
Yes.
there is so physical maybe there is a time lag, but in the system there will be no time lag. Am I
Exactly.
correct?
Yep. And one more thing, okay, yesterday, okay, we could not, okay, make that, okay, the door as active, okay, because, okay, we could not, okay, start, okay, the unloading, okay, directly, okay, from the TU. There is a note actually, okay, so if you go to this note actually, the note number is, okay, 1377347. So this note actually you have to implement it. Okay, so because of this thing, okay, this note is missing in the system. So if you have to implement, okay, this note, okay, otherwise you have to go for the service pack 5 of the EWM, support pack 5.
How did you come to this conclusion?
No, just check it in the marketplace for that error, okay, with that, okay, the symptoms.
Okay.
Okay, so that, okay, you can just get that, okay, the note number.
It's in German terminology.
Yeah, okay, today I just converted it, okay, I just, okay, download the Dutch version, okay, you can just download that, that's why note number is available to you. Okay, so, okay, otherwise, okay, no, you can do that thing always, okay. Otherwise, okay, the other option is that, okay, you can always, okay, go to that, okay, the unload and then, okay, you can put that, okay, the TU number and then, okay, even you can start, okay, that you can select that thing and then it's the same thing like, okay, going to the delivery and then, okay, starting that, okay, the unload. There's nothing much difference here. So you can always, okay, go to the unload transaction and then, okay, if you click, okay, the unload warehouse task, okay, you should be able to do the same things. Okay, you can see that, okay. So the thing is that, okay, mainly from TU transaction, okay, because of that door actually, okay, if it is not getting active, okay, because of that note is missing in the system. You can see, right, okay, now the database, okay, now if you just save it.
Can you implement the note in this system?
No, because, okay, this is a Hyderabad system, right, we cannot implement the notes.
Okay.
Okay, so if you have actually, okay, that, okay, if the OSS connection is open, okay, you can always, okay, if you, I think you, some of you might be knowing this transaction, okay, the yes note, okay, so what you do is that, okay, you just, okay, go to that, okay, the download,
yeah,
and then, okay, put that number, okay, 1377, and then, okay, you can just simply download and then you can implement this thing also,
yeah,
but here actually it does not work. Yep. Okay,
Oh, this
so
is how we
now,
apply the note, huh? Okay.
Yep. Okay, so if you don't know that thing, okay, this is the way, okay, they apply the note and then it will ask for a transport request. So you use the transport request to move from the development to the quality to the production. S note is a transaction code, okay?
S note, S-N-O-T-E.
Yeah, S note, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now today let us see that, okay, that quickly that, okay, the ad management, okay, ad management is a very simple thing, okay, in EWM. So first of all, okay, you can use, okay, the one ad, okay, there are options available actually. You can use, okay, one ad, okay, for the multiple, okay, the warehouses also, okay, in the system. So this option is also available, but, okay, I have not ever seen any client actually implemented this option. Okay, otherwise, okay.
Yeah,
sorry?
many people are implementing, even for a present client, they have ad management system.
No, you're not getting my point actually. Ad management is available, but, okay, the using one ad for multiple warehouses in the system.
Okay, got it.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
see, okay, most of the people, okay, one ad, okay, and then, okay, the one warehouse only. So this is, okay, the common scenario, okay, which we'll use it because, okay, unless, okay, you represent, okay, the two same parking lot is, okay, shared by the two warehouses, okay. So this way, okay, we can do this thing. So what all the mandatory settings, okay, we have to do is that, okay, whenever, okay, if you define any ad actually, first, okay, you need to define a storage type, okay, which actually, okay, we are going to use it, okay, for all the ad bins, okay, and then, okay, each of the ad is going to have, okay, the checkpoints also, which, okay, which it is nothing but like a security gates only, okay. So it is something like a north gate or, okay, the south gate, and then, okay, the parking lot, okay, the doors, okay, we just need to link it to the warehouse doors only, Okay, our add bin, yeah.
The basic question is why we need to implement yard management. That kind of high level overview you can give us, then that gives.
Okay, yeah, ad management means, okay, it is basically like, okay, let's say that, okay, you are running a big warehouse and then, okay, you want to maintain, okay, the parking lot. So that, okay, let's say that, okay, before, okay, let's say that, okay, one truck came actually, and then, okay, it has to suppose, okay, yeah, it has to go to that, okay, the security first, okay, where actually the security guy will check the truck and the, okay, the license plate number and everything, okay, whether it is matching with the system number. Suppose, okay, you should not allow that any other truck, okay, to enter in your parking lot. Okay, make sure that, okay, the license plate or the TU number is matching with the TU number, okay, what the driver is carrying with. Okay, now once, okay, it goes to the security guard, and then, okay, he will allow that, okay, the truck, okay, to check in through a gate, and then, okay, you want to assign it to a parking lot, assuming that, okay, the truck actually came into the night, so that, okay, it is available at the parking lot. Then today, okay, then morning time, yeah, parking lot is nothing but a bin only. Okay, everything, okay, in EWM is a bin. Now in the morning, okay, you want to assign that thing, okay, to the door, and then, okay, you are starting, okay, the unloading or, okay, the loading activities for the TU, and then undock from the door, the truck, okay, from the undock from the door, and then assuming that, okay, you did the check-in, and then, okay, you have to do that, okay, the checkout also. Is it clear now?
Yard in, yard out.
Yeah, add in or add out, or, okay, you can use check-in, check-out. Okay, so this is the way. So basically, okay, what you are doing is that, okay, you are controlling, okay, your, okay, the transportation unit, okay, movements, okay, outside your warehouse. See, whatever, okay, today till we have seen, those are all the activities happening inside the warehouse. Okay, these are the activities, okay, happen outside the warehouse. Is it clear, Anand?
Yeah. So
Okay.
that means most of the cases, it only like the trucks will be unloaded or loaded only, like only one thing, or it could be possible that the trucks can unload something and also load at different things and they can go out like that.
Yes, you can use the same thing also.
Yeah.
You can use the same TU number for the unloading and as well as for the loading also.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying, that, okay, here it is the same thing, like, okay, the unloading and then, okay, the loading activities.
Okay.
Okay. And then, okay, it's same thing, like, okay, if you go to any warehouses, okay, it's the same common thing only.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay, so if you want to actually, okay, activate, okay, the ad management, okay, so go to that, okay, the SPRO. Now, to move all the TU actually, okay, you need to have, okay, the one process type, okay. So most of the times, okay, yeah.
Question here.
Yeah.
So you are actually checking in the truck.
Yep.
So when you're saying checking in the truck, you are assigning a TU number that is created in either.
No, TU number is already available. That, okay, when I say the word, okay, the truck means, okay, the TU number is already available.
Okay, that's what, okay.
Okay. So that TU number I can create it manually, or it can come based on automatically from the ASN also.
Okay.
Using the means of transport.
When we are checking in truck,
Yeah, checking.
it means we're checking in the TU.
Yes, exactly. The checking in of the TU. That means, okay, the security guard, okay, who is actually matching that, okay, the license plate, whether the truck is correct or not.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now, so extended warehouse management. Okay. Now go to that, okay, the cross process settings, and then look at the shipping and receiving. So make sure that, okay, if you want to, okay, enable, okay, the ad management, okay. So first of all, okay, make sure that, okay, you activated, okay, the shipping and receiving, and then where is the ad management? Okay, so go to that, okay, the ad management. So go to that, okay, the particular warehouse, just enable that, okay, this functionality, ad management active, because till yesterday actually we executed our transportation unit activity, okay, without using, okay, the ad, okay. So if you want to use ad management, just simply check this particular checkbox. Now you just need to define, okay, the master data for the ad. Okay, so same thing, okay, if you want to define, okay, the ad means, okay, ad itself is nothing but a storage type only. So I need a storage type, okay, which I can use it, okay, as a ad. Okay, storage type. Okay. Okay, it's an add. Okay, you can see that. Okay, the storage type role. Okay, make sure that okay that is a add. Okay, that's the only thing. Okay, that you have to okay check it up. And then okay, you need a process type. Okay, to move that okay the transportation unit. Okay, to move the transportation unit okay from one place to another place. Okay, most of the times okay we'll be using okay the 9999, which is the warehouse supervision. Okay, or okay you can copy this process type okay as your own process type also. And apart from that, okay, you just need to define okay the check-in okay and the checkpoints of your add also. Okay, so where is this thing? Okay, so go to that okay the shipping and receiving, add management. So now what will be the storage type? Okay, now I defined okay the storage type. Now I want to make the storage type okay using the I just want to define my add also. So in the EHYD I defined okay my storage type as okay the storage type add as a storage type for the add. Okay, now define the checkpoints. Okay, so you can define it okay as many security guards okay you have it for the particular okay the checkpoint. Okay, you can just define it. Okay, suppose like okay my warehouse okay having okay one security gate at the north place and okay the one more okay at the south place. Okay, so you can just define it. Okay,
So these checkpoints are like main gates.
yep, main gates.
Yes.
Yep,
Then-
so where the security guards okay will be staying. Okay, so once actually okay you defined okay the checkpoints okay you need to assign them okay to the particular okay the bins only. Okay, so if you want okay you can define it okay as many okay the storage sections also within a particular add. Now once you define the checkpoints you just go to the front end. Okay, same thing like okay whenever if you define any work center or anything you need to link it to the bins only. So go to that okay the
So in this one, what kind of storage sections will be there? For example,
let's take that okay you want to group okay all the checkpoints in the, assuming that in the north actually okay you have okay 3 security gates.
okay,
Okay, so all those okay 3 gates you want to put it under one section.
okay,
Okay, I can just show you with a pictorial diagram so that okay. Sorry. That actually gives you a much more idea. Okay, let's take this diagram. So, okay, can you see this diagram actually? If you look at actually this particular TU, okay, assuming that this all is a parking lot, so this add door you need to actually link it to the warehouse door also. Is it clear now? So all this, okay, assuming that okay my warehouse is having an add on this left side and as well as okay the right side also I have it. See the parking lot okay maybe on the 4 sides. Is it clear now? Suppose okay assuming that okay I have a parking lot both in the front of my warehouse and as well as in the back of my warehouse also.
okay,
So the front one okay I can create one section and for the back one okay I can create okay one more section.
okay.
Is it clear now? So usually okay we create okay like that. So say that okay you have 2 parking lots. Okay, one is a normal parking lot and another is a overflow parking lot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so one actually you can put it as a normal storage section and another as a overflow storage section.
Okay.
Okay, so at least okay one storage section is mandatory. Yeah. So you just okay defined okay the storage sections in the storage type, and then okay we defined okay the checkpoints also, and then okay, link that okay the checkpoints okay to the add bins. Okay, so before that thing okay, you have to define okay the bins. Okay,
So that means each bin is a one parking lot.
yes, exactly. It may okay, each bin okay, it may be a one parking lot or one security gate also. These are the or it may be a one add door also, which is nothing but okay, it is linked to the warehouse door.
Okay.
Each add bin okay, it is linked to the warehouse door. From the parking between the parking lot okay to the warehouse door. Okay.
Yeah.
So you just need to define that okay the bins. Okay.
So there can be define the checklist for the guards to check, say 4 things he needs to check.
Yeah,
For the
actually,
license,
okay, usually okay, they will be checking it. Okay, usually they will check it whether the license plate is correct or not. Okay, whether the driver name is correct or not.
Yes, but there has to be some help from the system also that these are the
Yeah, that's what
parameters
the
that need
system
to be
actually. Yeah, in the system, okay, usually okay, see, usually okay, the drivers bring the delivery note okay to the security guard.
checked, right?
Okay, and the security guard okay usually okay have assign okay we assign this okay the TU transaction to them.
Okay, yes.
Okay, so there actually okay he can check that okay the deliveries are matching with that okay what the driver is carrying. Okay, and then okay then only he will allow the truck okay to go inside it,
No,
and then
see,
he
for
can check the
example,
time also.
For example, there are say 4 parameters about the truck he needs to check. That
Okay.
whether its floor is up to the mark, that whether it can bear the weight or not, whether the driver is carrying his license or his number plate is matching, or his papers are the pollution certificate as well as the RC copy is correct or not. So these are the parameters that he needs to check. So is there
Okay.
any check boxes he can do it?
No, no. But if you want, actually, you can tell the abappers, okay, they can put this, okay, they can devise a customized screen, okay, on top of a TU, okay, they can just throw a pop-up and then they can put it in a Z table. But in the
Okay,
standard, actually, we don't have that option.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Then one more thing,
Yeah.
similar to the warehouse monitor, do we have something like a yard monitor or something where we can watch?
Yeah, I can show you that thing also.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, you can see that, okay, which trucks are waiting at which parking lot also,
Right, right,
and what time actually they are supposed to come to the door.
right.
Okay, so now once you define the bins, okay, so just simply okay going to the okay the shipping and receiving. Where is my master data? Shipping and receiving. Now going to the add management. So you can define, okay, you can create it, okay, as many storage bins, okay, as you like it. The same way it will take it to the same transaction, okay. Suppose like, okay, add, okay, B01, and then, okay, under one section actually. So and then you need to assign it, okay, the checkpoint, okay, to the bins. Okay, so assuming that, okay, we defined, okay, the checkpoint is, okay, so for this thing, okay, I just want to assign a storage bin, okay, which I just now created it, okay, add hyphen, okay, B01. So like this thing, okay, you just need to link it. So checkpoint east, checkpoint north, okay, checkpoint south, and then, okay, the process type, okay, which I want to use it, okay, to move, okay, between this, okay, the bins also. Now anyway I just want to,
what is the significance of what is the significance of attaching these checkpoints to the storage bins?
Because, okay, see, it's the same thing like, okay, at the end of the day every location in EWM has to be linked to a bin.
Yes.
Then only the warehouse task can be created it.
Okay.
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 Yeah. Now assign that, okay, the warehouse door, okay, to the admin. So my warehouse door 2, it is nothing but, okay, it is linked it to that, okay, the add of, okay, this particular, okay, the bin only. So how many, suppose if you want to link your, okay, the add to the warehouse, this is the connectivity. between the add bin, okay, to the actual warehouse doors. Okay, so once you, okay, the link that, okay, the warehouse door to the add bin, now let us, okay, let me create, okay, one small delivery, and then, okay, I just want it, okay, to assign it to the TU. We'll see that, okay, how we can, yeah.
One more clarification. So if you assign the yard bin to the warehouse door,
yeah.
so that whichever trucks which are parking in that particular yard bin, which only goes to that particular door, or what exactly?
No, it is nothing but, see, it is nothing but, okay, linking between the yard door to the warehouse door. It is not the parking lot.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
I can move it to that particular point either using a bin, or I can specify a door also. I'll show you in the TU transaction. Okay. Once you
They
see
have
that,
they have one-to-one relation.
Exactly.
Okay.
So I'll show you that thing, okay, if you know this thing, okay. Now let us create a new TU. Okay. So I just want to create a new transportation unit. Now you can assign it, okay, as many deliveries you like it, okay, for this particular TU. Okay, so let me assign, okay, the one delivery here. Nothing is available. Oh, no deliveries. Okay.
Sini?
Okay. Yep.
Sini?
Yeah.
The check-in, check-out is what is the checkpoints you will define as a check-in, check-out?
Yes. Okay. That is fine. Okay, there are no deliveries, but still I can, okay, move the empty truck also. So now, okay, once this is available, okay, if you just, okay, try to activate, okay, now you can just activate your truck. Now, okay, you just, okay, if you want it, okay, you can assign, okay, the door also, but you cannot move now. Okay, I'll just show you. Suppose, okay, door 2.
Srini, could you please open the notepad and follow that transaction sequence in here so that we know what's happening?
Yep. Yeah, that's what, okay. I'm just, okay, see, these things are clear, right? Okay, define the storage type and define the checkpoint, and then, okay, link the checkpoints to the add bin.
Okay, good.
Okay, so next thing is that, okay, I just went into the transaction, okay, /SCWM TU, okay, there, okay, I tried to assign the deliveries, but, okay, we don't have any deliveries available, but, okay, I'm just trying to move the truck only. So I just, okay, assigned it to a door, okay, the target door, okay, which I want to move it. Okay, now if I just want, okay, checkpoint, okay, assuming that, okay, now if I just want to move it to the checkpoint,
okay,
arrival plus save, the system actually, okay, throwing an error because, okay, we have to use the add management, okay, if you want to move it, okay. See here, you can use that, okay, the /SCWM Y move also, or you can go to the TU and then you can use, okay, the add movements here.
okay.
Now you can go here, okay. So when the first time the default, okay, you can see here that, okay, the default gate, okay, assuming that each security guard, okay, where he is, okay, lying at, okay, he can put the default values here.
So when I'm doing this, what action I'm doing now?
Now, okay, from the checkpoint north, okay, I want to move the add, okay, to the door, okay, DOR2.
Okay.
Okay,
So
from
basically,
checkpoint.
if you think now my truck is in a storage type yard, and it is in the bin CHECKN. Okay.
Yes. Exactly, it is a parking lot. Okay, it came to the security guard. Okay, so he came to the north gate. Now from here, okay, I want to send it to the door, or okay, I can send it to a checkpoint. Okay, to another add bin also. Either of it, I can do it.
And then, okay, so let's say, I mean, if I send it to yard bin, the next
Yeah.
section would be yard bin to door?
Yes, exactly. Okay, so now, yeah, okay, let us send, okay, this thing from checkpoint to the add bin, and later, okay, I'll just, okay, send it to the door, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Yard bin is what? Nothing about parking slot, right?
Yes, it is like, okay, one of the bin of the yard.
Yeah, that is what? Is a parking slot or what?
Yes, it's a parking slot.
So truck comes inside.
Yeah, it may be a parking slot, or, okay, it may be another gate also.
Okay.
Okay, so now, okay, from here, okay, assuming that, okay, I just want it, okay, to send it to that, okay, the checkpoint, okay, the south also. So, okay, so what is that, okay, yeah, okay, so checkpoint 2, okay. Now, I just want to use a process type, okay. Now, if you just, okay, click, okay, the create plus save, you can see that, okay, it will create a one warehouse task, okay, and then, okay, the one warehouse order also. So I'll just show you that, okay, in the monitor.
So what exactly we did over there? We just moved.
Yeah, from one place to another place, I just moved the truck.
Okay.
Okay, it's not yet confirmed. Okay, I just, okay, asked that, okay, the driver, okay, just to move that thing. Okay. Now, okay, assuming that, okay, this work, okay, it will be automatically go to that, okay, the driver.
So the monitor will be the same for everything, right?
Yeah.
There is nothing like separate monitors.
No. Okay. Now you can see that, okay, this is that, okay, the warehouse task, okay. Now I just want to, okay, confirm, okay, this particular, okay, confirm it in the so from that, okay, the original point, okay, now this particular, okay, the thing, okay, got moved here. So if you just, okay, go back, okay, see here, okay, if I just go back here to the TU and then, okay, come here again. Now if I try to move again, okay, this particular thing, let us see that, okay, where, okay, the truck is staying now. Can you see here now? It is available at the checkpoint south. Earlier, okay, it was at the checkpoint north, okay. Now from here, okay, I want to move it to the door actually. Okay. Can you see here now? Okay. I was talking about, okay, somebody was asking, right, okay, why I linked it, okay, to the add bin to the warehouse door. Anant, is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, either I can specify that, okay, the door to here, or I can specify that, okay, the add bin also. If I type it here, it will come automatically.
Okay.
Okay, usually, okay, these things, okay, I'm doing it on the desktop, okay, but people will not do it here, okay, they will do through RF.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is in warehouse.
No, I'm just, okay, moving now the truck to the door, the second step.
Okay. To which door?
To the door 2.
Okay. So door 2 is nothing but a warehouse door, right?
Yes, exactly.
Right.
You're right. Okay. Now I can use, okay, the
999.
yeah, okay, the process type. Now you can see that, okay, the warehouse, okay, it got confirmed. Okay, let me try to, okay. Now the warehouse task is active. If there is any TU, okay, which is already at the door, it will not even allow you to confirm also. Because, okay, as of now there is nothing TU available.
So this concept of yard door is just an interface to make.
Yes,
okay,
exactly.
okay.
Exactly.
It has no meaning. Physically, it has no meaning.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Now, can you see that, okay, we got an error also. Okay, what it is saying is that, okay, the door 2, okay, I just, okay, created an active warehouse task, okay, but when I try to move my truck, okay, or when I try to confirm the task, okay, system is giving me an error. Okay, the door is already occupied by the transportation unit 6. Okay, so where I can, okay, somebody is asking, right, in the monitor, okay, can't I check this thing? Yes, we can check it also. So if you go to that, okay, the resource management, okay, Inbound, okay.
No.
No, there is a node available so that, okay, where I can see that, okay, which doors are free and all the activity also.
Yard management. Yard management. When you go to the storage, stock and bin.
Yeah.
Stock and bin.
Yep. There should
Yard
be
management.
available. Yep, you're right. Okay. Now, add doors, okay. So you can always, okay, look at that, okay, which parking lots are occupied, add overview, everything we can see it here. Okay. So what I will do is that, okay, I'll send that, okay, the old truck, okay, the TU number, okay, 6, okay, outside, okay, of the door. I think the system connection gone.
Can you go back to the monitor?
Yep. I'm just checking the monitor only. Okay, can you see here now? Okay, the door. Okay, so
some outbound shipment is already, looks like.
yeah, the TU, okay, the 6 is actually, okay, staying at that particular door. So it's not, you can see that, okay, the flag, okay, the free door is actually not checked it. Okay, so I can just, okay, go to that, okay, the TU. Okay, let us move it, okay, out of the door. Now, okay, if you remember, okay, this is the thing. Now I just want to, okay, add movement. So once the add management is active, okay, you cannot directly do that, okay, the departure plus save. You have to always, okay, use, okay, the now from add, okay, yeah, I just want it, okay, to send it, okay, from the door. I just want it, okay, send it back to the security gate, okay. Okay, I can just, okay, create that, okay, the warehouse task. Now I can even, okay, can go and, okay, confirm it in the same screen also. See, there's another option. You can go to the monitor and you can confirm it also, or you can confirm it in the desktop, or you can confirm it in the RF also. So I'm just, okay, confirming these things. Okay.
We can
so
use
now,
9998.
Yeah. Now, if I just, okay, refresh my monitor here, what happened? It should be, okay, it's not yet confirmed. Okay, I think I need to save it. Okay, now you just, okay, refresh your monitor. Can you see here now? Now the door 2 actually got freed.
Okay.
It's a very simple concept only. Okay, now you can go and, okay, move over, okay, the, if you go to that, okay, the other waiting truck, okay. Okay, open warehouse tasks. Now, okay, this thing, okay, I can move it, okay, to the destination, okay, to the door. Okay, so if I just confirm here, okay, sorry, I just need to select that entry.
Select complete.
Yep.
So
Now
Srini,
just, yeah.
one yard door can be extended to multiple warehouse doors? It has to be only one to one.
Usually we can make it as a 1-to-1, but we can just check that setting also.
No, that's fine. I'm good. I'm okay with 1-to-1.
No. Usually, okay, not because it does not affect anything. Okay, but okay, we can try that thing.
Srini,
Yeah.
the yard, one truck cannot be assigned to multiple doors, right?
Yes, that is there always. No, you can assign it, but okay, see, you can assign it, but it cannot be active at more than one door.
Okay, at a time it cannot be activate more than one.
Okay, let us say that, okay, I got a truck, okay, initially I want to unload at door 1, and then, okay, assuming that, okay, the same truck, okay, carrying 2 materials, okay, both meat and rice, and meat I want to unload at door 1, and then each door is having a planning activity. Okay, so I'll just show you, okay, if you go to that, okay, the TU, I'll just show you, just, okay, go here, I'll show you here, the one interesting thing, okay, here. If you go to that, okay, the assigned doors for every TU, if you go to that form view, can you see here now? Everything, okay, you can see here. One is that, okay, what time it is the truck is going to arrive at the door, and okay, at what actual time it is coming here. And what time, okay, it is going to departure, and okay, what time actually departed also. So what you can do is, yeah, okay, so.
So from where it is taking this planned arrival period?
Planned is, okay, this thing, okay, these are the planned ones, but when you execute the actual transaction, okay, okay, because, okay, the number range, okay, I did not define it for the another, okay, the door 1, we are getting this error, okay, so you can assign it, okay, as many doors you like it here. Suppose, okay, let me add, okay, the same door again also at a different, assuming that, okay, the truck is going again to the door at a different time. Can you see here? So each one is a different shipping and receiving activity. Let us say that, okay, at the same door I unloaded the goods, and again, okay, I'm going to come to the same door, okay, for the loading at the afternoon. Morning I'm doing unloading, and the afternoon I'm coming to the same door, okay, so that, okay, they can plan the shipping and receiving activities here. Okay, is it clear? So always, okay, the shipping and receiving activity, that means one instance of the work is represented by the shipping and receiving activity numbers.
So how are you able to assign the door again when it is already assigned to the same ship, same to you?
No, it is planned.
Okay.
Is it clear? Suppose, let us take this example, that's what I'm talking, right? Okay, I'm planning my truck, okay, morning I want to unload at the door, and then in the evening I want to do the loading from the same door.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
So, but it cannot active, see, one only can be active at the same time.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
It is only.
so,
Okay.
yeah, it is only in the planned status only as of now. Okay, one at the end, for one unique entity, okay, only one door TU combination, okay, can be active. Okay.
So a truck can be planned for multiple doors, but when it shows
Yes.
up and it, okay, out of these 5 doors, I mean,
Yes.
I have one available. Okay, I will go to this one.
Exactly. Suppose, okay, let's say that, okay, I got a truck actually, okay, with multiple materials, okay, first actually door 1, okay, I want to, okay, 10 a.m., okay, to 12 a.m., okay, I just want to, okay, at this door, and then, okay, I just want to, okay, go to that, okay, the door 2, okay, from, okay, 1 p.m., okay, to 4 p.m., and then, okay, come to the door 1, again, okay, at 4:30 p.m., okay, to 5:30 p.m. Is it clear now? So that is the reason, okay, each door is having, okay, 2 activities, okay, one is, okay, the planned time, but, and as well as, okay, the actual times also. When the actual truck, okay, arrives at the truck, at the door, this data also will be filled it. So you can exactly see that, okay, what time you are going to get the truck to the particular door also.
So can we, where can we check whether it is only one door is active or not? Is there anywhere we can check?
Yeah, in the monitor, okay, you can see that, okay, if it is not a free door,
Okay.
this is one way of, okay, checking that. If it is not a free door, that means, okay, the truck is, okay, actively available at the door. That,
So
can you see this TU?
So let's say, I mean, when we are saying that between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. truck will go to door number 1. So will it reserve the door 1 for that truck, or anybody can occupy it?
It will give a warning message that, boss, there is a overlapping also.
Okay, good.
Okay, system gives a warning message only.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want, actually, you just, okay, you can change that thing into the error message also.
Okay.
But in the latest version of EWM, there is a new excellent tool, okay, which is called as door appointment scheduling.
Okay.
So that way, okay, even you can tell your truckers that, okay, what is the best time, okay, that they can come and occupy the doors. So that, okay, they can plan their shipping and receiving activities.
So in the free door is like X or blank. What is blank?
Blank means it is occupied.
Oh.
It is not a free.
Oh, okay.
It's
Okay.
a
Got it.
okay. Free door X means it's a free door. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay. Yeah.
So really the new tool is available in 7.02 or it's in
No,
7.01?
from 9. From 9.
Okay. Okay.
It's a simple tool only. Okay, it's the same thing like your Outlook appointment calendar kind of thing.
Okay.
Okay.
So Srini, that 9.0 version is out for the EWM?
No, only the ramp up and it is in the testing phase.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, is it clear now? The ad
SCM
management
9.1.
not SCM, EWM 9, but on SCM, okay, 7 enhancement pack 2.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now is it clear now? Add is very simple only. So just okay, create one storage type, and then we define the checkpoints, and then yeah.
Do we have some kind of reports in yard management, like standard reports, where we can monitor or we'll get some overview quickly, rather than this monitor?
In EWM, okay, every report is okay from the monitor or from the Easy Graphics framework only.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so in the Easy Graphics framework, okay, you can even see that okay, how many trucks are available graphically. Also, you can display your warehouse, what are all happening in the warehouse.
Okay, okay.
But okay, see this EWM monitor itself is containing like okay more than 100 nodes.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can watch how much time each truck is taking. Is it taking more than like assigned time, or we can whether use optimized way or something like that. How will we?
What actually okay I can say is that okay it is not straight away it is available, but okay we can achieve it okay using the labor management if you want it.
Okay.
Because in the see every truck okay it is okay the movement is a warehouse task only. And then I can always say that okay what between the differences I can always okay calculate the difference between the planned versus the actual departure times.
Right.
Okay,
No,
I can and then I can create a small report. Automated reports are available. It's like wizards, you can use it.
Anant was asking about the demurrage charges. For instance, if the truck is over time standing over there for a couple of days,
Yeah.
that type of report. Because this is not
Yeah.
related with the labor management. Because in our
No.
warehouse, what we have done is the one
Yeah.
with the demurrage charges.
Uh-huh. No, what I'm saying is that in the labor management, okay, what we can do is that, okay, I can create a formula, see here, I can always, okay, create a formulas, okay, which can calculate, okay, the difference between, okay, the actual planned versus the actual time. See, is it clear now? The labor management is mainly associated with for the physical people for the warehouse task confirmation. But apart from that, I can create a formulas, and these formulas I can display it as a report without doing above work.
And this will be calculating the transportation unit or the truck units.
Yes, exactly. From the TO table, I can just pull the data and then okay, I'll just show you. Okay, if you go to that, okay, the table, see here, if you go to the, I'll just show you, /SCWM/ okay, TU, okay, activity, there is a table, okay, if you go to the table, TU shipping and receiving activity, okay, suppose, okay, in our case, okay, the current activity number, okay, I told you, right, each and every activity is one shipping and receiving activity number. So, let's take this thing, okay, my TU number is, okay, the 7. You can see, always see that, okay, the planned versus, okay, the actual times are always available here. Okay, so you can just, okay, pull a simple report that, okay, each truck, okay, what is the planned time and what is the actual time. That's the only thing you need, right? And then, okay, you can calculate a formula of the difference, and then that formula, the results, you can display it in the report of the monitor.
Okay.
Okay, see that if you want it, okay, that options are available. It's like a small extensions only.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Srini, let's say, I mean, for the outbound shipment, my truck checks in and it comes to the door. It gets loaded.
Yeah.
And when and it is going to be checked out. So is it possible that to do the PGI at the time of checkout, or is it possible when?
No, you have to no. There are two options available. Okay, when you finish that, when you change the TO status to the loading end, then okay, do the PGI automatically.
Okay.
This is okay, the automatic one. Otherwise, okay, go to the TU and then okay, click okay, the goods issue.
Okay.
These are the two options okay available at the TU level.
Okay.
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 So with these two things, okay, you can achieve the requirement.
Okay.
Otherwise, otherwise, okay, what actually you can do is that, okay, because, okay, this thing, okay, internally will happen through the PPF only. So you can, okay, put that, okay, when the TU, okay, got, okay, the checkout, trigger the PPF to do the goods issue.
Okay.
So these are all the options, okay, we have it.
So let's say when it leaves the door after, having all the goods in it, so then what would be the best? The loading end? PJ
usually, okay, we do it at the loading end because, okay, otherwise, okay, this PPF, okay, if you can use it, but it causes the performance issues.
Okay.
I mean, it can depend upon the threshold also. For example, if you want to ship earlier, you can do that also.
Okay.
Okay, so we have, okay, these three options. In the latest version, what actually we do is that, okay, because usually the truck drivers, okay, do not bother about, okay, the goods issue happen in the system, okay. We put this, okay, the PPF action into QRFC and then, okay, later system will do it.
Okay.
Okay, so, yeah.
What is the do we have this yard management in the regular WM also, or it is we don't have that much?
You can use
it. It is there. It is there.
You can use it, yeah.
Yes.
So the concepts are same, right?
Yep.
Almost same.
In that case, do we have some special advantages in the EWM compared to the EWM?
Nothing. Okay, but the only advantage here is that, okay, you can use, okay, the one ad for multiple warehouses. That's one advantage I can say. But most of the customers, they don't want to use that feature. Okay.
Still,
see,
Can we also find out the total turnaround time?
Total turnaround time means for what?
For truck, from the check-in to the checkout.
Yeah, you can always, okay, calculate it, right? Yeah, because, okay, if you go to that, okay, the table, whatever I shown you, okay, each activity is a one shipping and receiving activity.
Yeah, the security guard punches the number, the time.
Okay.
So each activity, okay, you have that, okay, the actual times. See, okay, if you go to the table, okay, I'll show you, okay, again the table. Okay, shipping and receiving activity. Suppose, okay, each time when you move it, okay, each time it is a shipping and receiving activity number. Okay, so for each of this thing, okay, you have that, okay, what time it came and what time it got confirmed also. Okay, so then you can calculate always, okay, what time it came and the total time and what time it went out also. But these are not available as a standard one, but if you want it, you can calculate it.
Okay, can we also add, say, for example, we have after check-in, we use a weight bridge to weight the entire truck, and while moving out, we first need to do the weight out, means again move the truck to the weight bridge so that we can calculate the net weight of the goods that we receive. So can we also incorporate these functionalities?
Yes. If you go to the TU, okay, but it's not something like, okay, you can integrate your weighing scale actually. Okay, if you want it, okay, that is a custom functionality. But if you go to the TU, okay, in the TU, okay, you have those particular fields actually. Okay, the loading weight or okay. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Okay, so these fields you can use it always.
Okay. I hope we can integrate with the weighing scale.
Yeah, that okay, you can always okay integrate with the weighing scale and okay connect it to the this thing SAP PLC software, or okay there is a SAP MIA tool, manufacturing integration, and this thing.
MIS
or something. Okay, then you can always integrate any scale to SAP. Okay, then you can okay once that okay the truck got okay assuming that okay what you can do is that okay let's say that okay the truck actually truck, okay, came to that, okay, the check-in point, and then, okay, you asked it, okay, to move to the weighing station. Okay, now trigger a interface. Okay, this interface actually, okay, updates, okay, the TU. Okay, there is a class actually available. Okay, I'll tell you the class name also. /SCWM/ shipping and receiving business object, okay, TU. Okay, if you go to that, okay, the class *TU, you can get, okay, the class also to change the TU header fields and item fields.
Okay.
Okay, so just, okay, change these fields only. These are the fields only which you are interested, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so you can use that particular feature.
Okay.
Okay.
And can we also use the tolerance also, that if it is within the tolerance and then
No.
Yeah, it is available in IS soil.
No, that's not available here. In EWM we don't have it, but okay, if you want it, okay, copy this whole screen as a custom screen and then you do it.
Okay.
Okay, so you can always extend the fields in EWM and then, okay, put them as Z fields.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. See, you can do everything here because, okay, at the end, okay, it's a language only, ABAP only.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Srini,
Yeah.
like for talking about the one warehouse, one yard.
Yeah.
As EWM point of view, think for a one client. Generally, for one location, we have only one warehouse.
Yeah.
So means that like two warehouse with one yard.
Yep.
This is not applicable for one client, correct?
See, if you want it, you can use it, but most of the cases I never find that scenario.
But SAP is not recommending, correct?
Yes, it's not a best practice.
It's really like for one location, maybe till the distance is not very far away.
Yeah.
You have to go for only one warehouse.
Yeah, that's what actually they say it. But if you want it, okay, systemically or, okay, from the data perspective, I don't have any issues.
Okay, clear.
Yeah, but okay, the best practice, they say that, okay, put it as a different warehouse only. Okay, now, okay, so this is about that, okay, the ad management. Okay, so let's talk about, okay, the I think I hope it's not too late. Okay, we can just spend, okay, some time, or you want to talk about this? Okay.
So we can talk tomorrow because it's uploaded. If everybody is okay, then I'm okay.
Yeah, Srini, actually here in India also it's a new year.
Oh, okay. So, hey, I forgot it. Okay, happy New Year, happy Ugadi to all of you.
Yeah.
Same to you.
Okay, yeah. So, okay, what actually, okay, we want to talk about is that, okay, the batch management. Okay, so we'll create a new material. Okay, Hyderabad. Okay, the curry. So, assuming that, okay, my batch is going to have, okay, the characteristic like, okay, the less salt or, okay, the more salt or, okay, the medium salt. Okay, so that, okay, the examples will be much more interesting because I'm a foodie lover. Okay, and temperature also, whether it is a cold or, okay, the hot or, okay, I can say that, okay, the 20 degrees to 25 I can put it. And the color of the curry also, it is red, yellow, okay, the green peas curries, okay, whatever be the curries. Okay, so assuming that, okay, my batch can have n number of characteristics and each curry is going to have, okay, the expiry date and also that, okay, the country of origin.
Yeah, I'm feeling hungry.
Okay, so country of origin, okay, and then if you want it, okay, the batch status, okay, suppose, okay, if a curry is actually spoiled, okay, I can say that the whole batch actually cannot be used also. Okay, so these are the, like, okay, the, yeah, 6 characters I want to use it as an example, and then, okay, we'll do the inbound and outbound, okay, using the batch driven processes.
Srini, can you explain from your way what exactly is a batch management? We read something in the books, but still not clear.
Okay, so batch management. Okay, hey, I think, okay, let me clear off this batch management. What is a batch management? Okay, let us take that. Okay, I'm having, okay, the paracetamol. You know paracetamol, right? Okay, let's take this thing. Okay, the paracetamol, okay, got manufactured from March 10th to the March 15th. Is it clear now? And, okay, the raw material for this thing, I got it, okay, from Anant as a supplier. Okay, Now, from same thing, okay, the March 10th to March 15th also I manufactured, okay, the same material, okay, but okay, the raw materials supplied by Sundar. Now, my question to you, do you want to put them, okay, these two stocks together, or you want to separate these two stocks? Everything is paracetamol.
Together.
It's a pharmaceutical.
Separate.
No, I'm asking for the
Together.
good manufacturing practices.
Yeah, we can put it together, no matter, but the batches are different.
Yeah, exactly. Why you are separating it as batches? Assuming that, okay, Anand supplied raw
Coming
material,
from
okay,
different
contain,
suppliers.
yeah,
I don't
because
believe
assuming that Anand supplier, okay, assuming that Anand supplier, okay, manufacturing plant is, okay, not having hygienic conditions.
Wow. No, it's
So
very.
I want to, so I want to, okay, recall all the products, okay, that are supplied by Anand in the market.
No, I always
Is it clear now? Huh?
I always supply good things.
Okay, let's take, okay, the reverse way also. Okay, it's not offending anybody. Okay, I don't mind.
No, my
Just an example. Okay. 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 So everything is okay. The material is same, but okay, I'm just classifying the different batches only.
Oh,
So
okay.
if you go to, okay, so if you go to that, okay, the Wikipedia, just okay, type, okay, the good manufacturing practices. GMP it's also called as.
CGMP.
Okay. Yeah. So you can just find it out, okay, the importance of the batch management. Mainly, okay, if you want to recall the product, or sometimes, okay, let us take this example, okay. In US, okay, they say that, okay, they always, okay, assuming that, okay, the Reddy Laboratories, okay, supplying, okay, some medicine here, they always say that, okay, they want, okay, medicines, okay, same medicine only, okay, but manufactured in Mexico, but not, okay, in Argentina. Is it clear now? So these are the kind of requirements, okay, which are very common. The made in is very important for any industry. You know also, right? Okay, if you go to the shirt, actually, if you find a shirt, okay, which is made in China and another shirt is made in Vietnam, you always give the preference to the made in Vietnam.
Yes.
you're right, correct.
Okay, so every company, okay, is having, okay, its own strategy based on the country of origin, or okay, from where actually they are procuring the raw materials. Or okay, you want to classify, okay, your materials into the different categories also. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, suppose let's take that, okay, you may have, okay, the medicines also, or you can apply it, okay, the meat, okay, the meat actually, okay, coming from different suppliers, okay, usually we store it as a different batches. So that, okay, let's take that, okay, all the potatoes or, okay, some cantaloupes all came from California, I just want to abandon them. If I want to stop a virus also.
Yeah.
So better traceability.
Yeah, I can
But
say
SLED also, yeah, batch management, right?
Yeah. Yes, that's what, okay, the expiry date.
SLA.
SLE.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shelf life expiry.
SLED, the shelf life expiry date. Anant, if you
Yeah.
go to pharmaceuticals, right, okay, which are all going to expire tomorrow, I just want to sell it them as possible as.
Yeah.
So basically the batch is nothing but, okay, classifying the same material with reference to the different characteristics.
Okay.
Okay, assuming that, okay, the same curry you are manufacturing it, okay, but with a different kind of, okay, the cooking styles. Okay, with red color, green color, okay, the different kinds of flavors. Let's take the Texas toast only. Texas toast, you have different batches. Okay, if you go to every food industry or pharmaceutical industry, okay, you can find the batch number.
Srini, one
Or, okay,
question.
the TV, yeah.
Can you talk about the batch management for EWM and for batch management ECC?
Yeah.
Both are synchronized together?
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So once, okay, what we have to do is that, okay, you create the batch management, okay, in ERP, and then, okay, distribute it to EWM.
Finish.
Okay, it's through SIF, and then use the batch.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is one way. Okay. Now in the outbound side, what I will do? My outbound delivery, see here in the outbound delivery, there is a something concept okay called as okay the selection criteria. My customer will tell that in his okay the customer material view, he always says that okay he wants a specific batch. Is it clear? Boss, okay, he say that okay I always want the materials okay for which the expiry date is should be minimum of 2 months. Let's take this example. Even okay if you go to a supermarket, what you will want? You are trying to buy a milk, what you will do? You will look for, first of all tell me.
Expiry date.
Expiry date, okay, you want the milk actually which got freshly produced and which is having a longest expiry date. Am I correct, Anant?
Yeah.
Okay, this is okay as a simple customer. The same thing with any pharmaceutical, right? Okay, they always okay want to have a specific batch of products because they know that okay if that is a batch, okay, then they are going to get the good quality also.
Right.
Okay, so in the outbound delivery, there is something called as okay, the batch selection criteria. So that will be distributed to the EWM. So when the warehouse worker try to pick up the goods, then if you pick up the wrong batch, right, the system will not allow him to confirm the warehouse task.
Okay.
Okay, otherwise, okay, he has to put an exception code. Assuming if okay, the required batch is not available, he has to put an exception for the task and then change the batch so that it will be coming till all the way it will reflect it back to the ERP. Okay, because first of all the customer has to accept that material. So he has to call the sales guy and he has to tell the customer, boss, so and so batch is not available. Is it allowed to change the batch or not? Okay, that all depends on the agreement between you and the customer. Okay, it's all very real business only. Okay, there's nothing rocket science here. Okay.
Srini?
Yeah.
But the same functionality is also available in ECC or not? Like I need a particular batch for a particular customer.
Yeah. It is there.
Is that can be Google?
Yeah, it is there.
No.
It's available.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah. But here actually you can always okay. Yeah, but okay. The advantage here in the EWM is that you can always use it in the pick strategy. Okay. So that actually drives the business. Okay. One more thing is that okay. Hey, I just created a group also so that okay you will get okay the whatever be the note actually. So if anybody is just missing it, okay, just forward it to others also. So I have H.A. Razu, Naveen Singh, okay, Timajapet, Tiwari, Prabhajit, okay, I hope all of the people. Okay, so if anybody is missing, okay, just send me the email, okay, so that okay I'll just okay add it to the distribution list.
Tini, you mentioned that you will send some document, right?
Yeah, I'll okay. Yeah, I'll just okay today.
Send me that text, that notepad one. Also,
Yeah. Okay. Today I just created a group properly so that okay, all the people are there. So I'll just check it. Okay. Okay. From now onwards, okay. If I go to the compose mail, okay, I can just okay use the distribution list rather than typing everything.
Wow.
Srini, can you add my name?
Yeah, your name is not there, I think.
Okay, whose one is not there? See, you can see that okay, Abhishek is there, H.R. Razu, Naveen Singh, Nova Kannan, Cool Raja is there, Sundar is there, Suraj is there, Timajapet is there. So whose one is not there?
Satya is not there.
Satya is not there.
Okay, can you tell me your email?
I have just pinged. Can you check the message?
Okay.
Yeah,
So I'll resend all the materials to the whole group again. So if you repeat it, okay, that's repeated.
okay.
So okay, yeah.
Raju, Naveen.
Yeah, everybody is there, I think so.
Srini,
Yep.
can you change my email ID as Gmail? H.A. Raju, instead of H.A. Raju,
Okay.
raju.hasti@gmail.com.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, rather than okay, changing there, okay, I can just add it one more. Okay, what is that? H.A.?
Raju.
Okay.
No, just Raju.
Raju, right? Yeah.
No, not H.A. Just Raju.hasti.
Oh, okay. Raju dot.
Dot.
ST or ST? Yeah.
No, dot. First dot. Raju dot.
Okay.
Hasti, HASTI.
HASTI, yeah.
At gmail.com.
Okay.
Okay.
That's cool. It's added.
Naveen is not there. Sorry,
No, Naveen
Kanan is not there.
Yeah, I'm here.
Kanan?
No, it is there.
No,
Nova
no,
Kanan.
Kanan is there.
If my name is not there, it won't go anywhere.
Okay. So from now on, okay, I don't need to type
Srini?
anything, okay? Yeah.
When we distribute master data to ERP to EWM, is the time zone is important or what? For plant?
See, what you are going to use with the time?
No, when I distribute, I got is time zone is not maintained in a plant level or something. I got that kind of warning error message.
Okay, see the time zone, okay, you can maintain there, or okay, if you can go to the supply chain unit and then you can maintain it, because supply chain unit is the one which maintains the longitude, latitude, the time zone, everything.
Country, region, everything, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
So then I can maintain in EWM. I don't need to...
Yeah, but usually the best thing is that always maintain the time zone in ERP and then send it at the plant level.
Vinay,
Yeah?
I have one question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
I'm doing material transfer from storage location to storage location.
Okay.
I'm getting an error saying that storage type C01 not suitable as an interface. In the bracket, SU management is active. That is the error message while posting, doing a BAPI goods movement or something.
Yeah.
So what is that error message?
Is it like EWM enabled that location?
No, it's in the general warehouse management.
Anant, the C01 is cross-docking movement type.
The only thing that should be a problem for this thing is the movement type. Okay, it is conflicting.
And the storage type. Storage type C01 is for cross-docking only.
Or it could be one storage location is storage management active, another storage location is storage management not active.
Yeah, exactly.
Active, that's correct. That's it. This is the problem.
So that means either it should be both SU management active or not active, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I think this is not case. SU management will not have an impact. Yeah, it is not necessary all storage type SU should be active. Even we can move the material.
But this warehouse is storage unit active.
Active is that, like active is for a warehouse level, and for bottom lower level storage type, it's optional. We can go for it, we cannot go for it. It is not mandatory for all storage type.
So that means this issue is with some configuration?
Yep.
Without, I have to check the system. Without, we cannot tell it. But I'm 100% sure SU management will not have an impact for that moment.
But it's a config only, Anant. Don't worry.
At
the end, it's a config only.
Config
what
only.
is the message?
The storage type that is C01 not suitable as an interface, and in the bracket it's saying that SU management is active.
Yep.
That is the error message.
One change on C1 storage type. Take out the checkbox.
Exactly. I say only major issue. One is active, another one is not active.
Yeah.
But at the warehouse level, it is active. Something.
Yeah. It's like that combination is allowed or
Yeah,
not.
the combination is conflicting. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just check the systems, okay, with other low storage locations, okay, how it is working.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no issues. Okay, so tomorrow I just want to finish the batch management, okay, and then we can go with that, okay, the kit to stock and the quality, and then I want to start, okay, the other topics also quickly. Okay, so now are you comfortable with everything, with the deconsolidation, everything with RF, everything is working for you, the queue determination, activity areas, everything is working in your warehouses?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think Sundar, can you answer the question?
We will work on this weekend.
That is why I'm laughing straight away. My laugh is the answer here.
Okay, no issues. Okay. Anyway, it's okay.
Don't worry, Anand. I will catch up. I'll catch up. Don't worry.
Okay. Anyway, I know Sundar is intelligent in these things. Okay.
Right.
No issues in there. Okay. Good luck.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Good night to everybody.
Good night.
Thanks, Rene. Thanks for
Thanks. Bye-bye.
thanks for your time, hard work. Yeah.
Bye. Yeah. Go. Yeah.
Hello, Srini.
Yeah.
Yeah, Srini, Naveen here.
Yeah, Naveen.
See, I did this good receipt in the EWM and I'm not seeing any data being transferred to ECC. I don't see any in the document flow in the inbound delivery. When I go to VL33,
Yes.
I don't see any, yeah. So what is
Yeah,
the
just go to SMQ2. There may be a queue struck there.
SMQ2 in EWM?
In ERP.
ERP.
Yeah. There should be a queue stuck there.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Srini, I have one question.
Of CQ. Yeah. Yeah, Suraj.
Srini, how can we understand by checking the only at warehouse process type level, it is a complex warehouse process or it is a normal warehouse process? Can we check that?
Yeah, if you go to the warehouse process type definition, if the storage process is linked to that thing, then it's a complex warehouse process. See, in the process
you mean to say IB01 or IB?
Yeah, in the process type definition, the storage process definition should be linked. See, if you go to the process type,
process type.
I'll just show you. Okay, let me show you quickly.
Okay. Yeah.
So
okay, in SPR only we can see that, right?
Exactly. Yeah, otherwise, okay, if you want to know at the box level, if you can go to the HU and then, okay, display the HU, in the HU header also you can find it out.
Oh.
Or in the monitor also you can find it out. Otherwise, in the monitor, okay, in the monitor, okay, I'll show you. In the monitor, you go to the warehouse tasks.
Yeah.
Okay, if you go to any warehouse task, okay, let's say that, okay, in the last week, okay, we did some warehouse task, right? So in the monitor,
right.
If you go here, okay, there is a column, okay, even for that, okay, the storage process also. If you go to this thing, okay.
Yeah, IB01 and IB02.
Yeah, there's a, if you go to this thing, this is the one. The process and as well as the step also, if you can go here, I'll just want to show these things. Can you see here now? INB1, IB03 here.
Yeah.
So in the monitor also you can
see. So
if
it is not.
Yeah, if it is empty means
now
it's a simple one.
Now question comes, if it is a non-complex warehouse, then
this will be blank.
HU management.
Yeah, this will be blank first of all.
Yeah.
Srini, what is non-complex or non-complex? It's a volume or what? You have more steps.
Not the volume wise, the process wise.
Yeah, that's what we call, correct? No complex, more volumes we want to handle, then we will come to EWM, correct?
Yes.
And more logic.
If it is like a fast moving and okay, if you want to do the kit to stock and if you want to do the value added services, all complex, okay, because nowadays, okay, all the
process is complex, then we'll call, correct?
Exactly.
Heavy load we want to handle it, means daily we are getting more, like more than 100 or 1000 trucks.
Yes. And if you want to do the conveyor belts integration directly.
ASRS, yeah.
Yes, and also the task and resource management, also task interleaving if you want to do everything, then all these things are available here. Yeah, it's a simple module only.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Srini.
Yeah.
Srini, send RF documents.
Yeah, I'll do it. Okay. I'll send it to the whole group. Okay. Yep. Bye.
In the last few classes, I did not get that document.
I'll forward those things. Okay. Yeah. Maybe in the sent mails. Okay, I can forward to the whole group again. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No issues. Yeah.
Okay. Good night.
Yeah. Good night, Sundar.
Thanks, Srini. Bye.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Good night.
Yeah.